Hi guys. So today we are exploring the Birla Science Museum. So it's an old museum that holds many science models which I will be demonstrating here. So here we are in the electronics section. We will be moving on to the others later. So here we are looking at a light detector. This is an example of an electric generator. And this is a high voltage plasma globe. So this shows the separation of light. This shows heat. So this is a demonstration of how your eyes had take time to process the image. So as you can see, the parrot was on one side and the cage was on the other. But when it spun up to higher speeds, you could see both in the same image. This is a pendulum. This model demonstrates the reaction of weights. This is a Newton's cradle. This shows self-centering wheels. This demonstration is for gyroscopic precession. This ball uses the momentum from the air particles shot up by the jet underneath to float above the surface. As you know, the Birla Science Museum is a massive complex, but something you may not know is the fact that it comprises of a planetarium, a museum, a science center, an art gallery, as well as a dinosaurium. The museum itself was the second phase science center when it opened in 1990. The center is also houses India's first private space museum. So, guys, hope you enjoyed all the demonstrations here. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.